Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel VBA series that is running into my channel. So friends, today with this video we are going to learn briefly about the Excel VBA loops, and we are going to learn about for each, for next, do while, nested and many more type of loops of VBA with these parts of this series. So make sure to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon to get all notifications from this channel. So let's start. To work effectively in VBA, you must understand loops. Loops allow you to repeat a code block a set number of times or repeat a code block on each object in a set of objects. First of all, in today's video we are going to learn about for each loops and we'll show that how it actually works. So at first we need to go to the developer tab, then click on Visual Basic, or you can also press the Alt F11 key from your keyboard to directly get into the VBE, that is Visual Basic editor. Then click on the insert. Click on module to insert a new module. So what is for each loops? For each loops through every objects in a collection, such as every worksheets in workbook or every cell in a range. And today in this video we are going to have a look on how loop works in every worksheets. A for each loop is used to execute a statement or a group of statements for each element in an array or collection. For each loop is similar to for loop, however the loop is executed for each element in array or group. Hence the step counter won't exist in this type of loop. So what we have to just do, we just need to write a code into this Visual Basic editor that will be from my previous videos. If you remember that we have learned how to unhide all worksheets in just a single click. So start with sub procedure, then type your sub procedure name. I am typing it as loop through sheets. Open bracket, close bracket and hit enter. Then we need to declare our variable by using dim. In Visual Basic Editor, with dim we declare our variable, and what word you write just next to the dim is your variable name. So I am typing ws as my variable, and what it will be declared for, we are going to declare it as worksheet. So select this from the drop down menu, highlight the option, then hit the tab button to autofill it, then hit enter, press tab button to indent your code. Now here we are going to use the for each loop. So type for each, that is our for each loop, ws in worksheets, then again hit enter. Look at here, every line has been capitalized so that you do not get any error. Then press the tab button again and come next to the word as each. Here type ws dot, select visible from the drop down menu, put a equation symbol, type true, hit the enter button. Now click on backspace and come to the just under of for, type next here and hit enter. Look at here, your code has been completed successfully. Save this workbook by pressing Ctrl S from your keyboard, and make sure to save this workbook as macro enabled workbook from save as type. Now save it. Now let's run that code, and what we have done with this code, when we will execute this code will be loop through the every hidden worksheets and it will be unhidden by this code, that is WS visible. So let's get back to the Excel workbook. Let's at first insert a macro button. Design your button from here. Click on your code, then click on OK. Now your button 1 has been assigned with a macro. Change the name as loop worksheet, right? Click on outside of this button. Then let's at first create 2 sheets and hide it. Hidden, and this one is also hidden. Now if you click on this button, look at here, every sheet has been unhidden automatically. So that's actually the for each loops does. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with the next part of this video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel, and I will give you the link of this workbook into the description box. Please check the description box and make sure you keep practicing.